Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a girl sitting on the ground. Let's draw the hair of the girl here. So this is a little details. We're going to draw only the hairs, and the hair is on the back. Now we're going to draw the hand. This hand is resting on the knees. Now I'm going to draw the right hand. Alright. Now I put the fingers here. Alright. Let's draw the dress. This is the top part, and we draw from the back. Alright. Let's put little dot on the side. Now we are going to draw the legs here. The legs comes to this side, and this is the shoe. Alright. The legs here, and this is the line. Okay, we can draw another legs on the other side. This is the shoe. We put shoelace here. The girl is sitting on the ground. Let's do little detail on the hair. This is the details. Alright, so hair's getting more visible. Alright, let's put little shades here. Also we put shade in the bottom part of the legs. This is the dress. Alright, let's make the hands a little bit more visible. Alright, the wrinkles on the back, it needs a little detailing here. As you wear the dress, there are some shades on the dress too. Alright, this is the pretty much drawing. Now we can do more details like a pencil sketch with the drawing pencil here. So now the hair's getting more nice and more details. As we put in more shades, you see the drawings looking more good. It's getting better and better. Also, I'm putting some shades on the hand. This is on the hand. All right. Let's put the shades on the ground too. We make the shoe darker. And we put the shades on the legs too. Alright, this is the drawing. I hope you guys like the video. All you need to do is do more practice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for updates. Thank you. Have a good day.